Good day everyone. I'm Ron Marby Mayas from BSB FM 2K, and my topic is all about converting a normally distributed random variable into standard normal random variable. Z-score. A z-score measures the distance between an observation and the mean measured in unit of standard deviation, where the formula is Z is the standard normal score of z-score, and x any data value in a normal distribution. U is the mean, and this one is the standard deviation. So the formula is Zx is equal to x minus p divided by standard deviation. So if the z-score is positive, the positive score is above the mean. If the z-score is 0, the score is the same as the mean. And if the z-score is negative, the score is below the mean. For example, determine the z value for each of the following x valued for a normal distribution with mean is equal to 16 and standard deviation is equal to 3. A, x is equal to 12. So z is equal to x minus mean is divided by standard deviation. So 12 minus 16 divided by 3. So the z-score is equal to negative 1.33. Letter B, x is equal to 8. So 8 minus 16 divided by 3. So the z-score is equal to negative 2.67. Letter C, x is equal to 22. So z is equal to x minus mean divided by standard deviation. Z is equal to 22 minus 16 divided by 3. So the z-score is equal to 2, positive 2. And letter D is x is equal to 25. 25 minus 16 divided by standard deviation, which is 3. So the answer is the z-score is positive 3. Example number 2. Given the mean 50 and the standard deviation 4 of a population of reading scores, find the z value that corresponds to a score. X is equal to 58. So kani siya pagkuha ni sa curve is i-minus lang ni siya sa 4 sa standard deviation. 50 minus 4 is equal to 46. 46 minus 4 is equal to 42, and 42 minus 4 is equal to 38. And diri sa straight is 50 plus 4 is equal to 54, and 54 plus 4 is equal to 58, and 58 plus 4 is equal to 62. Given the standard deviation is equal to 50 and given the mean is equal to 50 and the standard deviation is equal to 4 and the x is equal to 58. So z is equal to 58 minus 50 divided by 4 is equal to 8 divided by 4 is equal to 2. So positive 2. So diri ang atong kuan lingin sa 58. Thus the z value that corresponds to the row score 58 is 2 in a population distribution. The score of 58 is above average. So above average siya kay positive. And that's all. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. My name is James Review Palya and this is my report. Example 2. Given the mean and the standard deviation of a population of reading scores, find the z value that corresponds to score x is equal to 58. So, i-explain na ako siya diretso no, makita man ninyo. So, ang z value corresponding to the row score 58 is 2. So, kani siya nga kani nagpasabot nga ang score of 58 is 2 standard deviation is above the mean siya sa population distribution. So since ang z value is positive, ang score nga 58 is above average siya. So sa makita ninyo kanang shaded area sa normal distribution curve nagrepresents nga ang region where the score 58 is false. It is located to the right of the mean, indicating it is above average. So, ang positive z value nag-indicates nga ang score above the mean. So, kung negative sab ang z value, nag-indicates pud siya nga ang score is below the mean. So, ang z value pud of 0, nag-indicate siya sa score nga is equal to the mean. So the z value is a standardized score nga nag-allow sa atoa to compare different scores from different distributions. So it tells us how many standard deviation a particular score is away from the mean. Example 3. Locate the z value that corresponds to P score of 39 given that mean is equal to 45 and standard deviation is equals to 6. So diri asab now ang corresponding sa row P score is 39 is negative 1. So this means nga ang score nga 39 is negative 1, standard deviation is below the mean sa population distribution. So since nga ang z value is negative, ang score nga 39 is below average siya. So sa makita ninyo sa kanang shaded area sa normal distribution curve, nagrepresents the region kung asa ang score nga 39 false. It is located siya sa left of the mean, indicating it is below average. So the z value is standardized score nga nag-allow sa atoa to compare different scores from different distributions. So it tells us kung how many standard deviation a particular score is away from the mean. That's all. Thank you.